Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your headphones Beats Studio Pro using application. You have to start by open Beats application, and of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Then you will see the same menu, and right here we have rename. Click at the rename, and right here write the best one for you. Let's say I want to remove this text. And after that, click save. You can also generate a name, it's up to you, I don't want to, I just wanna save it. And as you can see, we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!